Hello, welcome to our site Primitive Reflexes. This is a brief introductory video to show you what's on the site and how to use it. So the main thing that we have are exercise videos that show how you can integrate or inhibit 12 retained primitive reflexes. We believe this is far more extensive than anything else that's out there on the web. You'll notice that there is a playlist for each reflex. Now, I find this the easiest way to navigate through the site. If you go to the playlist, you can then choose the reflex that you're interested in, and you'll find a video explaining what that reflex is. You'll find another video explaining what sort of functional difficulties or symptoms a child may be having or expressing if that reflex is retained. And you'll also find the demonstrations of all the videos for ways to integrate or inhibit the reflex. And these are tiered. Level 1 being the easiest, the least demanding, ones that you can do passively to the children, progressing up to level 5, which is really quite cognitively demanding. So you can start at level 1 and work your way up at your own speed. So who are we and how do we know about primitive reflexes? Well, Shelley is a specialist occupational therapist who's helped children with rehab after neurosurgery, done bow bath movement techniques, sensory integration, and as going through that realised how important the primitive reflexes are and started studying that more, and has been using that in her clinic helping children with neurodevelopmental, behavioural and learning problems for the last 20 years. I'm a chiropractor doing more manual therapy, studied functional neurology, which is really understanding how when we do manual therapy or vestibular input or other sensory input, that interacts and can affect the brain. And through learning the development of the brain, realised also how important primitive reflexes are. So we've kind of put our different expertise together into this site so that you've got a broad view of different ways in which we can help to integrate the reflexes. Shelley and I have both been teaching this type of information to our various professions for the last 5 to 10 years as well. So if you're a practitioner, this site could be useful for you because it may give you more intervention options, different ways that you can help integrate the primitive reflexes. It's also a good resource that you can use for your patients. So you can direct them to the particular exercises you'd like them to do at home over the next period of time before they see you again. And as you see as the site develops, there's going to be more learning opportunities should you wish for that, which you'll see more of later on. There's been a lot of interest from parents about this site because it's becoming the most comprehensive one out there for the primitive reflexes. Now parents can use this to go through the exercises with your child. Because we've done this in a step-by-step way, it's fairly logical to see where to start and how to progress through. There will also be videos explaining how you can perhaps do several exercises, maybe of tier 1 altogether for a group of reflexes, and then begin to progress through to other reflexes after that. So look out for those and that'll give you more information. There will also be areas to access more support if you feel like you're struggling, need more help. And finally, I should point out that the site isn't finished yet. It's very much a work in progress. We'll be uploading more exercise videos, more instructional ones, and some tuitional ones about the neurology behind the reflexes, the research that's done about them so far. So please subscribe, you'll then get updates when those videos are uploaded, and please respond, give us your feedback. We'd like to know what you think and if you have any suggestions. Thanks very much for watching this. I hope you enjoy using the site, and most importantly, I hope it helps support more children.